At Oromia Network. My name is Toltu Tufa and I'm broadcasting to you here live from Melbourne, Australia. Today the Oromo community have gathered together socially, virtually and in the air to participate in what is Oromo aerial protests. So we have collected our protest here as a banner, and as the Oromo community we are saddened and disappointed with the occurrences that have happened within the last week alone. The Oromo activist and quintessential resistance role model Hachalu Hundessa was ruthlessly gunned down and what is believed to be assassinated. Following his death within less than 24 hours, given permission to operate within Ethiopia, were detained by the government. There's a lot of helicopter sound, so it's a bit difficult to speak at this point. Please bear with us. It's very noisy. It's very noisy. The message that we have here is our leaders have been arrested, they've been detained, and they're currently being imprisoned. This is that shut down being due to notorious torture which occurred there. Today's event has been put together to you by the women of Melbourne, Australia, the Oromo women, specifically from the Mana Mari Dubartota Oromo and the Oromia is Bleeding group. These women have put together what needs to be done because they are a reflection of the rest of our community. Our Oromo youth across Australia are ready. Today represents only of our protest. Aeroplane is just the start. It's definitely not the end. The Oromo community are not tired. They're shouting out everywhere all over the world. We're making noise. We will continue to make noise and this will not go away. Ladies and gentlemen, it is common occurrences for the Oromo community to be accused of being angry for the injustices that they have been facing for many years. We have started with peace. We wanted peace. We still want peace and we will always fight for peace. It is the consciousness of the Oromo people that has been long ignored, long denied, and every time that the Oromo people come to the table to work in a peaceful way to negotiate the way forward for Ethiopia as a whole, that we have now seen that the response has been to arrest and arbitrarily detain people who've been legally able to operate within the country, to attack to attack people like the multiple political prisoners that have currently been taken, is to attack the democracy of the Oromo people and the hope the Oromo people have for the future. Today the aeroplane that we've hired is planning to fly all across Melbourne, 9 destinations in particular. However, due to weather difficulties, it appears that now we will only be able to fly across 2 of our locations, the first being Our plane getting ready to take off. They are engaging in preparation and tying up the banner that we have to say. We will participate in a couple of orbits and then after that the plane will head to Cranbourne. Thereafter we'll head to Dandenong. Now the pilot of the aeroplane has assured us that because the issue has been due to weather, we will fly out again. In fact, we will fly and we will cover all 9 destinations. So we need to give a big thank you to Australian Melbourne Oromo community who have stepped out of their houses, waited at mosques, waited in shopping centres, and who have been tiring effort with all of their effort for the Oromo people. The Oromo people will never tire, have never tired, and will continue to advocate for all Oromo people, particularly in Oromia, who are waiting to hear our voices. Our job is to amplify their voices. They are the ones who brought us the Oromo protest. They are the ones who continue to use peace as a to get what it is that we're looking for today. Today is the day to shout our message, to share our sorrow, and to sustain hope for the future among Oromos. That Hachalu Hundessa has not died in vain, neither have all of the Oromo political prisoners or Oromos in the past who have been tirelessly advocating for the Oromo cause. I highly recommend and I suggest that everyone who shares this video, these photos, or any other media use the hashtag Oromo protests. It is extremely important, and here we go. No? Justice for Hajj. Justice for Oromo protests.